We are one of the world's leading international banks. Our employees are the soul of our organisation. Together, we're committed to building a responsible business and being here for good in our local communities. Over the last 30 years, few health crises have threatened social and economic progress, like HIV and AIDS. In the 90s, it had a devastating impact, affecting the lives of our employees, customers and clients, our friends and families. We responded using one of the most powerful weapons to combat the disease: education. By knowing the facts and understanding the risks, we could share information to help avoid infection in the first place, or prevent passing it on if someone is already HIV positive. Through education, we can help eliminate myths, stigma, and the discrimination of people living or affected with HIV. Today, HIV remains a serious global challenge. HIV doesn't discriminate, it impacts everyone. Millions of people are estimated to be living with HIV, and every day, more people like you and me become infected. Many misconceptions remain. For example, the only way you can tell you're HIV positive is by having a test, and not just by looking at someone. HIV can't be contracted by shaking or holding hands, from a toilet seat or from kissing. By far, unprotected sex is the most common way for HIV to be transmitted, but it can also be transmitted through sharing needles, during pregnancy, labour or delivery, through breastfeeding, or from HIV-positive blood. There is no known cure. But unlike 20 years ago, access to effective treatment now helps many people live long, productive and healthy lives. But not everyone can access or afford treatment, and new HIV infections exceed the number of people starting treatment. So prevention and education remains critical. Standard Chartered's Living with HIV programme has played a powerful role in our global response to the disease for 10 years. Educating our communities and improving access to testing and treatment for our employees is essential. It's not always easy to talk about HIV. It forces us to confront difficult issues. To us, this epidemic is anything but forgotten. Empower and protect yourself. Knowing the facts can make a difference. Learn more. Visit standardchartered.com/livingwithhiv.